In this video, we listed the 5 best big tunnel tent on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sonuto-Camping Tent. The Sonuto SNT 1688073-102 single-person hiking tent from mainland China is a versatile and reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing only 2.5 kilograms in total, with the inner tent weighing 1 kilogram, this 2-story tent is designed for use in spring and autumn, offering good insulation. The tent features a sturdy 7075 aluminum alloy frame and floor nails for stable support, while the Oxford fabric outer tent, with tear-resistant 210D material and a waterproof index of up to 3000 mm, ensures dryness and comfort in various weather conditions. With excellent ventilation provided by a large mesh area in the inner tent and small windows in the outer tent, this tent promotes airflow for a pleasant camping experience. The tent can be easily set up in 30 seconds, making it convenient for outdoor activities, and its versatile design allows it to be used in different settings such as mountains, beaches, and grasslands. The waterproof features, including a waterproof index of 3000-3000 mm for the outer tent and 1500 mm for the tent bottom, ensure protection against heavy rain and ground moisture. The tent comes with accessories like floor nails, storage bags, windbreakers, poles, and inner and outer tents, offering a complete camping solution for climbers and outdoor adventurers. Number 2. Naturehike 2023 Opalus Tunnel Tent. The Naturehike Barros Outdoor Camping Tent, model NH17L001L, is a versatile and durable option for outdoor adventures. Designed for 3-4 users, this 4-season tent offers a spacious area of 420 by 210 centimeters, with a 1-bedroom and 1 living room structure. Made of nylon fabric with a bottom waterproof index exceeding 3000 mm and an outside tent waterproof index exceeding 3000 mm, this tent provides excellent protection against the elements. Featuring a double-layer construction and aluminum alloy poles, the tent is sturdy and reliable. The tunnel tent style allows for easy construction based on need, making it convenient for various camping scenarios. Manufactured by Naturehike in mainland China, this tent is available in different styles and weights, ranging from 2 kilograms to 3.9 kilograms, catering to different preferences and requirements. The tent comes with essential accessories like ground nails, wind ropes, strapping tape, floor mats, and tent poles for a complete camping setup. Whether you choose the 2-person, 3-person, or 4-person variant, the Naturehike Barros Outdoor Camping Tent offers quality, versatility, and comfort for your outdoor experiences. Number 3. Shelter Tunnel Type Tent. The 2-person 4-season camping tent from mainland China features a sturdy construction and reliable performance for outdoor adventures. Constructed with 600D Oxford fabric with reflective mylar material, this cabin-style tent offers a waterproof bottom index of 2000-3000 mm and an outside tent waterproof index of 2000-3000 mm, ensuring protection from the elements. The tent's double-layer structure and steel poles provide durability and stability, while its quick automatic opening design makes setup hassle-free. Originating from mainland China, this tunnel-type tent is ideal for camping, beach outings, and other outdoor activities. With features like quick opening capability and waterproof design, this camping tent is a versatile and practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable shelter solution. Number 4. Folding Portable Mesh Tent. The lightweight and portable screen tent from Isfrede is a convenient shelter option for 1-2 people during camping, hiking, picnics, and various outdoor activities. Weighing only 0.58 kilograms, this tent is easy to store and carry, making it ideal for on-the-go adventures. The tent's room-style canopy design requires no assembly and can be set up in less than a minute, with a built-in corner ring for stability and a storage bag for easy portability. The unique triangle design enhances stability, while the mesh gauze style ensures air circulation and prevents mosquitoes from entering, creating a comfortable camping space. This pop-up screenhouse camping canopy features a durable center hub, wind rope, and ground peg interface for added sturdiness and customization. Made of polyester and fiberglass, this tent is foldable, easy to use, and provides good protection against mosquito bites. With dimensions of 130 x 220 x 73 cm for 2 people, this trekking tent from Isfrede, originating from mainland China, offers a practical and user-friendly solution for outdoor shelter needs. Number 5. Inflatable Camping Tent. The throw-open tent, designed for 4 users, features a durable construction with 600D Oxford fabric and reflective mylar material, ensuring reliability and protection during outdoor adventures. With a 1-bedroom structure, aluminum pole material, and double layers, this tent offers comfort and stability. The quick automatic opening design makes setup easy and convenient. Originating from mainland China, this throw-open tent is a practical choice for group camping trips, combining quality materials and user-friendly features for a comfortable outdoor shelter solution.